Give back to Mother Nature. Prepare for the second Mau Marathon, happening this October 10th on Mazingira Day at Oleshavani Center, Narok County. Join this vibrant action-oriented event aimed at growing 10 million trees, restoring the degraded landscapes in the Mau Mara ecosystems, and strengthening the community resilience to climate change. This is not just about growing trees. It is a movement to revive ecosystems, empower local communities, and protect one of Kenya's most vital towers, the Mau ecosystems. Participate, donate, and make a difference. To register, Google Mau Marathon, click Nguzo Africa Mau Marathon link, click the Register Now button on your screen to participate by purchasing a t-shirt at 1,000 Kenyan shillings, a cape at 500 Kenyan shillings, and a wristband at 300 Kenyan shillings. You will be prompted to pay via M-Pesa or Visa cards. All proceeds goes to the growing of trees. For more details, call 0725 708 479. Register now, run for trees, restore Mau Mara ecosystem. Mark your calendar on 10th October 2025.